Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making succulent red wine braised ribs. In a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and place the ribs meat side down. We want to brown them, as this will play a huge role in overall flavor. Salt and pepper well and let brown. Turn and do the other side. Once well browned, remove from the pot and set aside. Add 2 medium finely chopped onions and coarsely chopped garlic, about 4 cloves. Once the onions are translucent, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to add body. About 1½ cups of red wine, and 2 cups of beef broth. Add the ribs back into the pot and cover. Place into a 300° Fahrenheit or a 180° Celsius oven for about 1 hour. In the meantime, let's make the gremolata. First, chop fresh parsley and some chopped garlic. Some freshly grated lemon zest, some salt and pepper, and finally, a drizzle of olive oil. Mix well. Now for the ribs. They smell wonderful and fall right off the bone. Serve with a good mash and spoon over the fresh gremolata. Delicious! We hope you liked this recipe and that you give it a try. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our Tuesday and Wednesday uploads. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or future video ideas. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.